did you know that 0.30 can give you $260? That's like another 1M. 0.30. That's how heavy gold is. People are always asking, Stuart, on this certain amount of capital, what lot size can I use? Which lot size can I use on this thing and this, and different pairs? So remember, forex trading is something where we deal with psychology, right? So can you hold a loss, right? So if you put in like that $2,600, that's 10 MUDX, that's some good amount here in Kampala. You can even buy something like some Kalan there, right? If you're not ready to risk it, why do you make yourself think that you're a good risk management taker? The thing is like this: when I transfer my 1 million, it's the same thing as that guy who's having his 10M and is thinking that he's doing risk management, right? Me, what I do, I want to go with my 10M. I'll go with my 1M. So if I lose it, it will be fine with me, right? If I lose the 1M. But when you deposit the 10M, remember these guys play with your feelings, right? And some people maybe they're not even used so much with money or with charts. What will happen? You will deposit your 10M, take a trade, and maybe that trade will go against you. Some people don't want to lose their money, like me. So me, if I don't want to lose, I will deposit the 1M, which I can lose, and maybe I don't feel sorry for myself, right? So what I do, I'll deposit that 1M, put in my trades, right? When I put in my trades, then everything, at least, if I lose it, it's okay. If at all I make some good amount, there it's more fine because I'm so much used with what I'm doing, right? So how do you trade? Are you a sniper entry trader, or you're a person of zone? Like, let me put entries on this zone. Market can pull back a bit up. If you're selling, it can pull back a bit up, then maybe it will sell. Things don't work like that. You have to be one of them. Either you trade a zone or a sniper entry trader. Now, a sniper entry trader is a person like me who always trades from the liquidity zones up there, or who has those sniper entries like these ones that I give out. If you can't have a sniper entry, or if you're not ready and you have to wait for your setup to react, it means if you're having 1M on gold, please use like not 0.30. If you know you're a zone trader. And how do you put in that 0.30? Don't put it at once. Did you know that 0.30 can give you $260? That's like another 1M. 0.30. That's how heavy gold is. On 1M, put 0.30. If you know you're not getting good sniper entries in the market. And if you know, at least you're there. Maybe I take tracking signals and they're always sharp, maybe, Now for you, I can advise you to put there 0.50. You can even decide not to put it once. You can put 0.10, you relax. When it goes in loss, you got to make a friend, not in the profits. Me, that's not the white trade. When it goes in losses, add in more 0.10. Both are in loss, add in more. Both are in loss. Remember, you've trusted the zone, right? And you need to risk that amount that you've deposited. Add in more until it becomes 0.50. Let's assume you're a zone trader like this. Remember, Stuart is a what? Is a sniper entry trader. So for you to trade the zone, it means if market taps this zone here, if they tap this zone here, you will sell with 0.10. Now for you can even sell 5 times. I'm going to show you how we differ, how traders differ. Now let's assume this is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then like 5 times, right? So this is how we differ as traders. Now someone will be like, I'm trading a zone like this. Is maybe even some people are so much afraid of market leaving them. Now that's not my case. I don't fear market leaving me. I don't fear anything like that. So I advise someone who's going to put in trades. Now this is GBPUSD, but you assume it's gold. Put in an entry here. Enter the market with 0.10. It puts you in a loss. It goes up to this level, adding more. Remember, you're trading a zone. It puts you in a loss, adding more 0.10. Now that's 0.30. It puts you in a loss, adding more 0.10. That's 0.40. First, relax a bit. Let it move up again. Adding more 0.10. Relax. The 50 position will bring you even profits fast. Like when they reach on the first one that you added in, which is in losses, the 50th one will have brought you even profit. Even the third one and what. So when the first one that you added in below goes in profits, it means that's even your entry, and at least you're getting more positions. But when you enter at once like 0.50, it is more risky. You get it? It's more risky. Now there is a trader like me, Stuart, who is going to enter from these zones. Remember, I've been showing you these things before. Who has been entering in from here, from this zone here, this small zone here. Let me show you this zone. This zone here. Let's put it in color purple. Yeah. Now there is Stuart who's going to enter in from here. Now me, I can even put in lot 1.5 or lot 2. But the smallest, let's talk about lot 1 to lot 1.5. Now, when I enter from there, I won't even add more positions here because I know always markets pulls back. Like for example, which pulls back and which, you see, if I sold from here, let's say, I didn't add in more positions. No, I never. So this market came up to here, promised me like, so we are giving you profits, what and what. Now these guys pulled back up to this level. So if you layered in badly here, you can't stay alive, of course. You have to take your money out. You can't be alive at any moment. You get? You can't be alive at any moment. So this was a little slight move there. Now I had already entered from this level here. So I was not even stressed, and this market moved up to what? Up to this level here, down here. Right? So here, those guys always in my channels, they see now here. You can see how the market, this candlestick is behaving. I hope we're having some. I'm going to check here. Having some confidence here, and you can see how the candlestick closed above, and you can see the reaction of this candlestick. So that's how things move. Now, when you learn that thing I've showed you of scaling, adding in of putting in more positions, and then the other sizes to use, calculate. Your setup is having how many pips? Is it having like 100 pips? If 100 pips, then lot 1 will be giving you $1,000. Now me, when I have 2 million UPX, that is something like $520 there. I will make sure I will put in lot 3, and lot 3 on 100 pips. Just to give you over 3k USD. That is around 3k USD is around 11M. 11M plus UDX. I don't need any calculations of that money because I always make it. But you can see how things, how things move, right? So whenever you're in this market, because for us we have poor backgrounds about the things, also our earnings, how we used to earn, and maybe forex change our lives. Don't you think that forex can also change your life? You should leave these things of propaganda and what. You should focus on yourself. You should focus on charts and be like, if Stuart can do it, why can't I do it? If we can take a trade, why can't I take a trade? And guys, if you have no capital, try demo accounts. Our FX Pesa gives you like 10k USD demo account. Try on it. Try on the demo account as you look for capital. When you get 100k, leave the demo account. Get your FX Pesa account, deposit that 100k. You trade on the real account, because besides on us knowing the markets, variations are also there in the markets. well, chances are already there, and let that chance find you in your live account. You will see that your life will change just immediately, at least, So are you seeing the moves here? Are you seeing the moves after this guy is sweeping the liquidity I told you about, and they closed above this line that we drew? Are you seeing how the market is buying? And then you'll be like, Stuart, the things that just the thing you have to use your brains. Are you seeing how it is buying? After it, I told you if they close below, we look for more entries of sales. So now here I told you when they close above, you can see how candlesticks are moving. Now this is a live trading analysis, and you'll be like, now this guy's got on the charts. This is not back testing. This thing is moving and real time frame. So guys, hope we meet in the next episode. Have a good day.